Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. So in this video, I'll share with you how you can create and start a new e-commerce website for your own business. Okay, so in this video, I will teach you how you can get a free domain name. I also share with you how to get the right hosting plan so that you can have your own e-commerce store at less than $3 per month, and also how to install WooCommerce, which is a free and open source e-commerce software for your online shop, which is much more flexible and cost efficient than Shopify. So in this entire video tutorial, you will learn how to set up your online shop in less than a day. So we are going to use SiteGround as an example because SiteGround currently has a very good promotion going on. You can get a free domain name when you sign up with any of their shared hosting plan. And this is my affiliate link. So once you go to SiteGround using my affiliate link, you can see the promotion. I'll share with you how it looks like. Okay, so you need to go to your browser and paste in the link and click enter, and you will be bring to the SiteGround website. Okay, so I accept the cookies, and you can see there's a special deal having on right now, which is you can get a free domain name. And when you scroll down, you can see the hosting plan. So they have a startup plan that you pay only less than $3 a month. If you pay for a year, you can have one website and up to 10 gig disk space, which is more than enough for a brand new website. Or you can choose the grow big option, which is less than $5 per month, and you can host more than one website. This is definitely very useful if you have more than one website in your mind that you want to start. So for demonstration purpose, I will just let us start with this startup option. Just click get plan. So the next page, they will ask you whether you want to use your existing domain name. If you have any, you can just enter here, or you want to use your new domain. So you can get a new domain for free, and you can get the .com, .net, or .org. So that's really up to you. And for the domain idea, what you can do is that you can ask ChatGPT for advice. Okay, so I went over to my ChatGPT and asked GPT about, can you give me some domain name ideas for my new online shop selling t-shirts? So this is the response from ChatGPT. So you can do the same thing for the idea in your mind and see what idea ChatGPT give you. Okay, so one of the ChatGPT idea that it gave me is freshteastyle.com. So I enter it and click continue. And now SiteGround tells me that congratulations, can enjoy this domain name for 1 year free. So now the next step is to enter your account information, your personal information over here, and enter the payment information. Then this is the purchase information. Take note that the data center that you choose here the location should be close to where your targeted customer is. So if let's say you're targeting US, then you can choose one of these four locations. If you're targeting UK, then you can select this London. So if let's say most of your customer is located in Asia region, then you choose Asia, Singapore. And for the billing cycle, if you choose 24 months, you won't be getting the best deal. The best deal is when you select 12 months, you only need to pay $2.99 per month. So per year, only 35.88. Okay, so this is included domain registration. For the domain privacy, you can include that if you want to. The site scanner, if you think you need it, you can also enable that. For premium backup, I don't think you need it because this is for hourly backup. By default, SiteGround will back up your website every day, so you just leave it by default over here. So for email marketing, depending if you need that, you can also enable the chat box here. So after you check these two boxes, make sure the price is correct and then you click pay now. Okay, so after you make the payment, you will receive information from SiteGround. Then you need to log in to your SiteGround account and click on this website, and you should see the website information over here. So this is the domain name that I have. So I'm going to use this for the demonstration purpose, tshirtsman.shop. So once you are here, just click on Site Tools. So after you click on Site Tools, they will list down the option that you have. So over here, the first thing we need to do, because we have not WordPress yet. So if you go to my domain name, you can see that right now this is the default page. So once you gotten your domain name or you point your domain name to SiteGround, you should see a page something like that. Okay. So this is before we install WooCommerce. So now we're going to install WooCommerce along with WordPress. So click here, install and manage WordPress. If you didn't see any button here, you can choose under this WordPress setting, you can choose install and manage. It's the same thing. So over the option here, you can see there's a WordPress plus WooCommerce or is WordPress. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up an e-commerce store very quickly. So let's choose the WordPress plus WooCommerce setting. So you make sure it is selected. This is the domain name, language English. This is the main folder. And for the username, I can just enter my name. And for the password, you can ask it to generate the password. Okay. And for the email, you can just enter your email. So for this add-on, I would suggest to uncheck it because we are going to install our own theme. So we want very minimum plugins in case they slow down our WordPress website. So okay, so for now, just click install and give it a few minutes to install WordPress and WooCommerce. Okay, so after a while, you can see that this message says WordPress is installed on my domain name. So if I click view site, you can see that this is the website right now. So we are going to do some configuration and I'm going to share with you a theme to use so that you will make it very nice for your e-commerce website. So for now, just click admin panel. So we are going to log in to your WordPress account. Okay, so from here, the first thing that you will want to do is let's go to themes, appearance themes. Right now, they install the default storefront theme, which is the WooCommerce default theme. This is a good and flexible theme, but the appearance is not that nice. So I'm going to share with you a theme that you can install. Click on add new theme. So type in Woocify. So this is the theme to install. I like it very much and it's very flexible with a lot of options that you can choose. So just click install. So once it has been installed, click activate. Okay, so this is after activating the theme. Okay, so from here, this screen, it says thanks for installing Woocify. So what we are going to do next is click on this Woocify option. We're going to import the starter site. So click on this starter sites over here and import demo because it will be easier for us to work on all the information once is based on the demo site. So click on install Woocify library. Okay, so you'll come to this screen. So click start. Okay, so you can choose a theme over here. So we select free. Okay, so you can select some selection, but the free selection is quite limited. But my favorite is this one. Okay, so you can click on preview. You can take a look at the preview. Okay, from there you can select. So we are going to just choose this one. So just click select, then click next, and it will detect your existing plugin and suggest what are the next plugin to install. Okay, so these are all the needed plugins. So just click install. Okay, so after the plugins have been installed, the next thing is that they will ask you to import starter site. So go ahead and import starter site. Make sure everything over here is selected. Start import. Okay, So why we are working on the starter site is because all the content and some sample products will be uploaded, and it will be easier for us to just change and edit the content and then replace the images and also replace the products with your own products. So it will definitely easier for you to work from the starter site. Okay, so I'll just pause the video and come back when it's 100%. Okay, so once the starter site has been imported, what you can do is that you can view your website over here. So I'm going to just click on it. And this is the website, which is your website. Now you can see that it's hosted on my domain name, tshirtsman.shop. So when I scroll down, I can just click on the sample product over here. And you can simply just change this product to your own product. Okay, people can just add to cart, and when they add to cart, I can go to cart to check out. So it is very simple when you start from demo site. And let me go into the dashboard again. So just go to the dashboard. So WooCommerce is easy to use. You can go to WooCommerce and you can find all the settings over here. Customers and orders, you can find all the data over here as well. Setting is where you can do the payment setting, you can do the shipping setting, and products is where you can upload your own products. So go to products, all products, and these are the default products that have been uploaded. You can simply check them, select them, and delete them, and add in your own product. So you can add new product, you can create new categories. So you can see that WooCommerce is very simple, easy to use, and it's definitely much more cheaper than Shopify. You are only paying $3 per month for this entire e-commerce store. And also one more important thing is that you have 100% full control over your own online store. Okay, just to give you an example, if you want to edit your homepage, you just click on this edit with Elementor and it will bring you to the homepage using Elementor Page Builder, which is a very easy to use page builder, because when you scroll down here, you can just click on any element, you can change the text from here. So it's very straightforward, it's very simple to use. So I hope that you find this short tutorial very useful, and if you want to find out or unsure about any setting, just feel free to post your questions in the comments area below this description. I wish you all the best to your e-commerce store. Thank you.